New today, this is your Daisy Double Duo set of 2 3/4 sleeve tops for $64.98. Your 3 easy payments here are $21.66. It's A681276. Crystal looks adorable. She has it on in the gorgeous, what is that called? Bees and cherries?
Yep. Or no, yeah, bees and cherries.
She has the bees and cherries.
On the blue, cherries on the yellow.
That's adorable. Okay, and then we have a couple others we'll show you. Oh, that's right, because you're getting 2. So that's the bees and cherries, see?
So 1 round neck, 1 V-neck, both 3/4 length sleeves.
Nice. Then this one is your spring hat water can. Very adorable. And then...
And that's lilac ice and coral.
Hold on, let's do it this way so we can see it.
Okay.
Put the little thing in the front. And then this last one, the hearts with the shamrock. Valentine's Day.
Hello.
St. Patrick's Day.
Check, check.
Just saying.
Yes. Love.
These are great. So we love a good 3/4 sleeve top, and the fabrication is really good in this one too. It's cotton poly, which is nice. And you gave us 2 different silhouettes, which I appreciate.
Yes. Isn't that fun?
Yeah.
You know, you get more bang for your buck with our sets of 2. And so what's so exciting is that these motifs have been popular with Quacker for decades. So the daisies, the bees, the flowers, gardening things, hearts, shamrocks, all very, very popular. And then accented with stones. This is embroidered through and through. Okay. So this is not printed on in any way, but comfortable, beautiful, and really popular. Munifa, could I take 1 second and just do a little shout out?
Please do.
Okay. I want to shout out to my husband, Glenn, and his co-worker, Tom Kelly. Last week I got your name wrong, and I'm very sorry. So I just want to say, hey, Tom, what's up? Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm done now.
Love that you're holding the pink and green combination. I said this last time when we had the pink and green shirts last time. A really popular combination. It's actually my best friend's. These are her sorority colors. So how perfect would it be? And she's a teacher. Like, she could get these home right now, wear one for, for Valentine's Day, wear the other one for St. Patrick's Day, and done and done. Done and done.
Absolutely. You know, and we have friends who are Irish and celebrate it every day.
Yes.
They celebrate, you know, St. Patrick's Day every single day, right?
Same.
And then with the hearts, you know, come on.
Love. I mean, you will wear that all the time, too.
Thank you.
We're talking about Valentine's Day, of course, because it's coming up next week. But I wear my heart necklace all the time, right? It doesn't necessarily have to be Valentine's Day for me to wear my heart necklace. So, of course, I would wear a heart shirt that with the motif on it. So that's what's nice. And, yes, any of the dream jeans, that's our big deal dream jeans, goes back to these tops so good. So if you're looking for a complete outfit, here you go. Here you go. Like, I mean, just keep cycling through them all.
It's easy to do because, you know, our team was intentional with this. And it's so much fun to play. Like you said earlier, fashion should be fun.
Yeah.
And that's why Jean Bice created this line, because it doesn't matter what your birth certificate says, right? It doesn't matter what the scale says. What matters is that you feel good in your skin and that you're wearing fun clothes that people compliment and recognize you. And, you know, a lot of times these days we feel, you know, invisible.
It's true.
You know, and so this is a way to not feel invisible when everybody's complimenting you on your gorgeous top.
The embroidery is so well done.
I agree.
Like, it's like all the shading, like in the cherries. You know what I mean? Like, look at the top of the cherry by the stem. It could have been all red, but it's not. It has that little shading, like it's a little shadow or a little bit of sunlight hit that cherry. Like, that's what we're talking about. The embroidery on these is so well done. And then, of course, you give us a little bit of sparkle.
Just a little.
Which we appreciate, that sparkle that's inside of the daisy. And then, of course, throughout the shirt as well. So, again, Crystal has the one on from our bees cherries combination, and I love the fact that it's yellow, it's bright, it's fun, and then this gorgeous light blue
Sky blue
top, with the gorgeous little bees and your daisies as well there.
Be kind to the bees, we need them.
We do need our bees. This one, this is definitely for the gardener. That's that gorgeous coral with those beautiful watering cans on it. So this is your spring hat water can. And so this is your other little nice sun hat. So definitely for the gardener.
Wear your hats.
And then definitely have to wear your hats while you're out there in the sun.
Please.
This has been the most popular choice. And I get it.
this one right here?
It has.
Oh,
and we don't
too
have a lot
slow.
to go around.
Sorry.
I think we're getting very limited on this one. So this one is your hearts and shamrock. So some people want to add to their collection. Look at the shamrock. See what I mean by the shading in there?
Shamrocks and clover.
Right?
Yes.
Isn't that nice? So these are great because they're easy. And they're really good quality tops. Cotton polyester, machine wash, tumble dry, inside out. We want to be able to protect those little stones on there. But just little simple things like the stones on the green shirt, they're green. You know what I mean? The stones on here are pink. Like, so depending on which color you get, the stones are going to match back to the top. And you're getting 2 of them. Remember, 2 different necklines. One's a V-neck and the other one is a round neck.
Yeah, round neck.
86812.